What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon there, coming to you guys with a brand new video. And today I am joined by Rustin, and we're gonna be installing some Ikon side shirts that I did get painted gloss black. Kind of wanted to go gloss black theme to give it some contrast on it. It looks good on the hatchback Sports, so I thought why not. Plus I plan to get a lip soon, gloss black, and then a diffuser. There's a carbon one I'm looking at, but probably gloss black on that too. These are Ikon. I will put the link down below for them, so if you guys want to buy them, go ahead, I guess. I don't know, but it's pretty simple install. It should be pretty easy. Hardware is minimal. I believe it's 3 screws, end, middle, front, and then 2 screws, front, rear. Should be a pretty easy install. You know the vibes.
Oh, new Uzi album.
Oh, new Uzi album. Oh yeah, if you're not listening to that Uzi album, I don't know what's wrong with you. That album go crazy. 9 point and stand. Celebration Station is my favorite song off that album. It's been on repeat since it came out. But my car is dirty. It rained here in California, where people say it doesn't rain. Trust me, it rains. Now my car looks like shit. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So Rustin went ahead and took the 3 screws out. I mean 3 clips.
Like right where the indents are.
Right in the middle. I mean,
like right where the indents are.
oh, I see.
Yeah, those look pretty.
That's hella easy.
Yeah.
So
and then all you do is put these 2 screws in.
one there, I would assume, one over there, and then one in the end. Well, this is the end. Damn, what the hell?
That was quick, yeah.
Alright. Alright, bet. We in the like swimwear. So you take those out. Oh shit.
Oh!
And then we put this one in there. Huh?
Alright, you guys just stay right there.
Y'all stay right there. We're gonna test fit. I might lose this in the freeway someday. We got it in 3 easy clips. We just gotta screw the screws in, but pretty easy. And the white, it looks good on the white. Get like a little splitter for it, a little extension.
Well, yeah, you can.
That'll look good.
It's gonna be like that, right?
That's about it. Yeah. Good cut. No cap. So one would go here. The one goes on the bottom and the front.
Probably show the other side.
Damn, that actually looks really good. I need a lip though. Need more arrow. But yeah, there's a pre-cut, pre-drilled hole for you to pretty much put it on there.
Yeah, we're good. We're Gucci.
We chilling. The snake's on my shirt. So we got the other side done. I'm trying to get this side in, but I can't for some reason get the middle clip in at all. Like, I'm having a very hard time trying to put that in. It's annoying. That's why I sound out of breath. Alright, so finally got this done. Everything is in. I did put the screws in. It's a little difficult if you don't take off the wheel, so I advise if you do this, take off the wheel. But obviously I didn't take it off, and the screw's a little sideways, but it snug fits nice and snug. There is a gap here, which feels like it is supposed to be here. Unless you like 3M that, make it straight like that. But other than that, you don't really notice it unless you're really looking at it. But this thing is gonna make me seem low. Oh shoot! I'm gonna go ahead and take the jack out, take these blocks out, and show you guys how it looks on the floor. Cause this thing's gonna make me look super low. Oh my god. This makes the car seem so much lower. I think Russ is coming. Look, I don't know what I did. You might want to see this. Everything's done.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I didn't even take the wheels off. I put the screw in sideways.
Uh-huh.
It still holds, but look at it.
Oh! God damn!
There's like barely any room there.
Bruh, I'm wearing some Vans, dude. That shit's snug. Holy shit! Hey, Brandon, bro.
I don't know what I did.
Hey, you still want to go lower too? You crazy?
No, I'm good after this.
You crazy?
I literally just put it down right now. I just got finished with it.
Damn, that shit look crazy though. That shit look crazy though. I'm not gonna lie. That's freaking nice though.
With the lip? Oh my god.
Dude, like yeah, like the rear quarter. Rear quarter panel. That shit's. Oh, it's super bangers.
I don't know what I did. That thing's low, dude. I don't even know how I'm gonna get in to wash the car. I don't even know how I'm gonna get out of your driveway.
Oh, you can super angle, dude. I got you. But I mean, as long as the side skirts are solid, dude.
Yeah, they're on there.
Okay.
That's a little scary though.
What happened? You just like put it back on the floor, like, oh, why is it so close?
I dropped it and then I took it down. I was like, oh my god.
Holy shit.
But it hangs super low. Like there's no.
Yeah, you a drift car? Are you a drift car now?
I think I'm gonna go 20 miles per hour everywhere I go now. That shit hangs low.
Oh, fuck.
That screw's hanging 10 over there. I need to tighten that up later.
Was it?
That screw.
Oh. Hold on for dear life.
But it's in there though.
It's in there? Okay,
It's
yeah.
not going anywhere.
Just like double check it.
Yeah.
You can. Oh, shit.
That's it. I don't even think I need the splitter like I wanted to do. I knew it was gonna hang low, but I didn't think it was gonna hang out.
I mean,
low.
you technically can just put it under to protect it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if it, because I know you're gonna definitely might scrape it.
Oh yeah, that. Well, the thing I like about that it did was under it goes inwards.
Oh, so the lip is the deepest point.
Yeah.
And then the rest is hiding.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the only part that's gonna get scraped is the part
The very bottom.
Yeah, very very bottom.
Okay. No, you.
I'm actually really scared.
Yeah. Get as much angle as you need. Oh wait, stop.
Is it? Right there?
Oh my god. You want to stop? You probably want to stop right
Really?
now. Wait, you can come out and see it, bro.
It's like right there.
Oh my god.
That's touching, no?
No, it's not touching. Dude, it was about to. It was about to.
I don't know how I'm gonna live with that. I'm gonna rip that shit right off. Oh fuck!
Dude, you're like getting closer, like.
Oh, you might want to stop there. I didn't hear anything either. Ooh, baby!
But look, like, it's most you'll get out of it. Oh, see, I can't even like flap it around.
God damn! What did I do? Can I take it back? No, this side's chilling. Oh, it's gonna come off. I'm gonna rip it off.
Not here. Come on here. It's like, wait. Damn, looks good though. All looks way better.
Oh yeah. I knew the side was missing something. God, this looks really good. I'm gonna kind of explain it and go over what it is because I don't really explain it. I've had these for a few days already. These are Ikon side skirts from Ikon. These are painted black, gloss black. They look a little dirty. You guys may not be able to tell on camera. Had these for a couple days, and before I get started, I do want to say shout out to Ikon and shout out to my boy Jonathan who hooked it up on paint. He had a guy who painted it for me, so Huge shout out to Jonathan and Ikon for that. But I do want to mention, if you guys are lowered, like I am, like I'm pretty low. I consider myself pretty low. I'm not slam, but I am low. These side skirts will get messed up. Like I said, I've had them for a couple days, and they're already getting messed up. You can tell right there, like that paint already coming off. So I mean, I knew it was gonna happen. That's why I went the cheapest route with paint, the cheapest route with, you know, side skirts and everything, because I knew they're gonna, you know, get messed up. And I didn't think they're gonna hang this low, and they hang super low, but they look really good. It makes the car look so much lower. You guys can't really tell right now in the low light, and I'll show you guys in like the next vlog or the next video that I do. But I mean, they look super good. They're hanging super low. I am missing, when I look at this car now, I feel like I'm missing something, and I'm missing a little lip here. So I know what lip I want. I've been searching around. I know which one I want. I'm getting a diffuser also. Gonna get that custom made. So the car's gonna be looking good. I'm not gonna have any of that before Honda, sadly, but this is the state that I'm taking it at. Obviously it's gonna be clean, not dirty, but I mean, this shit looks hella good. I mean, just on this side as well, super clean, super pleasing. It does hang low, like I said, but if you guys are okay with that, then you guys, you know, you're gonna be okay. But I really do like the side skirts. I do enjoy them a lot. Let's go back in the car and finish this up. If you guys do want to get the side skirts, I will have them linked down below. I know some people may want them. They're super cheap. I believe I got them for like 100 and something. I could be wrong, but I feel like I got them for that price. So if you guys want a set, down below is where it's gonna be at. Also, Honda's coming up March 28th. I will be there. So if you guys are in, if you guys are in town, if you guys are like in the LA area, come through, show up, turn up. I'll be there just with the boys and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super short. I'm sorry it's such a simple install, but it makes the car look a whole lot better. I feel like if you see it in person, you might notice it a lot more. So if you guys are going on Honda, you guys may see it. I'm also going to Tuner Evo, which is this Sunday. So if you're also down to hang out, let me know. I'm down to kick it for a little bit. But yeah, Tuner Evo, Honda coming up. Hope you guys like the side skirts. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. See you guys next time. Dab, peace.
Why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. I've been